In the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to copy and paste. First of all, let's make some items that we can copy and paste with to try out. I've returned to my shape button. I'm just going to make a couple of squares or rectangles and pull these up. To distinguish them, this time I'll put another circle on them in different locations. And push pull these. So if I go to the select button and I want more than one of these items, but I don't want to remake it, I can select it all, making sure that it's all turned this blue colour. I can go to Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste. And I can have multiples of these. And I can paste again. Returning to our Rotate button, now I can change their orientation slightly. Let's try that again, this time with this item here. So I've gone to the Select button, select all its sides, making sure that the whole item has been selected and turned blue. Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. Now it appears and I can move it around to where I desire. Let's try that again. Paste. They're all in the same orientation, but let's try to rotate them differently. First, the select. Select the item that you want to move. Then the rotate. Let's try this one next. Select all its sides. Let's do this one last. Why don't you pause the program here to experiment with these tools?